Hello, assignment 4, Yeldar Amangazin, MT-1901. First is task management. I chose the task list between task list and Kanban boards. Looking at the task list, you can see that the first task has been completed. So here we have 11 tasks. First is create a team, office, agreement with government, agreement with private clinics, make an application framework, survey based on framework, modifications, creating application, testing, modifications, and launch. So next is second, schedule management. Looking at the current table, we can conclude that so far the tasks are being done in accordance with the deadline. Third is cost management. Below are the basic costs of the project. Since we have completed the first task, the expenses so far don't exceed the agreed expenses. So first task is creating a team. Salary per month, it will cost 1 million tenge. Second, office, 150 and 250,000 tenge. Third is server rental, 80,000 tenge. Fourth is Wi-Fi, 50,000 tenge. And hosting and domain, 8,000 tenge. Fourth is quality management. Since we have not yet completed all the tasks, we cannot output the results on the quality of the work done. But our team members have quite a lot of experience. So far for quality control is being carried out. So fifth is change management. Since we have made a list of tasks, changes may occur in certain tasks. And we also have a certain task called modifications. And at this point, you can make the appropriate changes in the right way without interfering with the main process. But in case of force majeure changes, these changes will be implemented by specialists of our team. So sixth is procurement management. Based on the budget table, we can see that we need to conclude contracts with internet providers, with an office administrator, with server rental, hosting, and also need to make a purchase of equipment, for example, computer, printer, and other. Procurement management is handled by the project manager. So seventh is resource management. So we have a table, team member, equipment, place, and materials. First is team member, project manager, equipment, computer, printer, and board, place, office, materials, Wi-Fi. Second is big data specialists, equipment, powerful PC, place, office, materials, Wi-Fi, and server. Third is developer, equipment, powerful PS, place, office, materials, Wi-Fi, server. Fourth is designer, equipment, powerful PC, graphic tablet, place, office, materials, Wi-Fi. Fifth is marketing specialist, equipment, board, and PC, place, office, and materials, Wi-Fi. So 8 is collaboration. The main tools for connecting all team members are Microsoft Teams and Telegram application. These applications will maintain close communication between team members even if they are at a distant distance from each other. And just as team members will work in the same office, team buildings, coffee break, and so on will be held. So monitor and control phase. First, monitor the process. The control of the entire process of actions within the project relies on the project manager. The project manager is responsible for meeting all deadlines as well as expenses agreed with partners, investors of the project. And also our project has risk management and change management in case of occurrence of such. Here we have a risk management table. So, reporting. Project reporting is one of the most important points. Below is a list of meetings about changes, updating of the project, as well as the work of done. So, closing phase. Our project outcome is highly dependent on the risk of government disapproval. If the government approves our project, then there will be corresponding results of the project. After we finish the project, we will not release team members if they performed well during the project implementation period, since the product of our project needs constant monitoring and maintenance. The project manager checks all documentation contracts so that there are no confusions and the project is closed clean. So here I have a post-mortem table. So first is win. Describe what happened. Together with the team, we have created an application in which you can book a queue online without leaving home to a clinic, both public and private. What was the impact? Then, thanks to this, the number of people in queues decreased, pandemonium decreased, and the general mood of patients improved. How does this change future projects? Full quality control of the work performed, and action items. First is purchase software license for all employees. Second is provide team members with appropriate equipment. So also I have the second and third issue or win. So thank you, goodbye.